Hey everyone, it's Monday morning, August 11th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella. Since it's Monday, that means it's time to dive into the big market movers for the week ahead. It's going to be a busy one, so let's get straight to it. Before we begin, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, it's Monday, and markets are kicking off a week that's all about inflation, the Fed, and a fresh batch of earnings. Last week, we saw a real shift in tone from Federal Reserve officials. Suddenly, rate cuts don't seem so far off, especially after that weaker jobs report. Now, the big question is whether this week's inflation data will push them further in that direction. On Tuesday, we'll get the July Consumer Price Index. Price pressures have been edging higher lately, partly thanks to those new tariffs, and the June CPI came in hotter than expected. Then, on Thursday, we'll see wholesale inflation numbers, and Friday will bring a consumer sentiment survey that could show how the public is feeling about rising prices. Fed officials, Barkin, Goolsbee, and Bostic are all speaking this week, and even though September's meeting is still weeks away, their tone could give us clues about a possible first-rate cut of the year. Earnings season is still delivering, and tech is taking center stage. Stablecoin issuer Circle reports Tuesday, just weeks after the U.S. passed the Genius Act, finally giving the crypto industry a proper legislative framework. Circle's stock has been on fire, up over 400% since its IPO in early June. Cisco's results land on Wednesday, fresh off strong numbers last quarter, powered by AI infrastructure demand. Cloud computing player CoreWeave also reports this week, and they've been making headlines with a $6 billion investment in a Pennsylvania data center. Add in earnings from Applied Materials, Oklo, Deere, and Cava, and you've got a busy corporate calendar. So between the Fed watching the data, tech pushing ahead with AI and crypto plays, and inflation staying sticky, this could be one of those weeks where the tone for the rest of summer gets set. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'll be back tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Don't forget to subscribe, rate the podcast, and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in.